Hello and how are you? I am Adam Basha and in the last tutorial we saw how to make the setup or initialize the setup for the backend for the Netflix Signup clone, and like you can see it we will subscribe and like message. Now we want to retrieve the data to add it to our JSON file. So to do that, we will need to use the query parameter. And if you don't know what are query parameters, they are like this. Like name equal to something. That's an example, and this is called a query parameter. So to make it, just go here and you can delete this code. We don't need it. Then in case and when I'm creating API, like it is all depending on the user's input. So what I like to do first is open a client catch statement, and if the error, then I'm going to respond with a status of a status of wait 1 second. I will just respond with a status of 500 again. 500 in the normal status with no like alerts inside of it. Then I want to send some JSON data. First is the alert, which will contain the alert bar. No, sorry, I don't want to display the alert, but I want to send a message of a a technical, technical alert. For, for example, then we need now to get the parameters, and to get the parameters, what you need to do is define icons and open the query things, and then the brackets, and then add inside it the parameter that you want to get. So I want the card number and a lot of a bunch of other things that are on the column. So I need also expiration date. The way I'm writing the query is called camel, which because there's no space in the variable, we use the first one a bigger a capital letter and JavaScript like that. Then the CVB and the first name and also the last name. Then it will to be a collect dot query to get it from the query. And this is how you get data from the query. Now what we need to do is add if statements to check all of these exist or not. So what I like to do is just create a bunch of if statements. If this exclamation sign means it doesn't exist. If call number doesn't exist, I want to return uh, response with a status of relation. Please provide a number. Or, well, of course, this will be a method. I need to put it inside like this. Now, if you go here, technical alal chord. There's an alal that has a chord and yeah, here because I forgot to add. Need to refresh it again. So need to just add a space here thing. So it said that it's class here, but it should be working now. So I want to respond with this. Let's try here to control plug the other. Now if we go here, like you can see lect.college.a function and that's correct. This shouldn't be a function. It's an object. Now it says please provide a card number and if I'm going to provide it so card will equal to 1 2 3 for example then it it will keep doing this because I didn't add anything if done anything like that. So I want to do this the same thing with the other hard thing. So else if and else so 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 the last one. Then I'm going to change this to the lesson date, this to the CVV, this to the first name, first name. So it's first, not fifth. Sorry, first and last name. Like you can see now it looks good, but we need to provide do this. So please provide highlightation date. For example, then please provide a CVV. Please provide a first name. And please provide a last name. Then I want an else. So I want an else and this else will have all the code so we can like close out of this and we are going to focus on this. So in this part, what we want to do is create an OBD, a variable of an object. This object will have all the full information. So first one, number will be equal to current number. Second, explanation date will be equal to the explanation date. CVV will be equal to the CVV. And this is the data that will go into the JSON file later on. First name, let you can say little, lastly the last name, last name. So now when you go here, it will say provide the card number. When you provide a card number and enter anything, to say an expiration date. When you provide one, so how did we spell it here? Need to spell it the same thing. So if expiration date, then for example, 2 to 5, 2 to 5, for example. Okay, so it still has like expiration date at this because this would be equal, like you can see now it's working. I'm going to also provide a CCV of, for example, 987. Now, because this is all small, need to provide it all caps. Like here, let's small. So we should take a small. Yeah, we need it to be equal. I don't know why equal sign. First name. So and first name equals to be, for example, Basha, and it will say please provide a last name, but actually we don't need the last name because if you remember, Netflix doesn't require you to enter your last name, and now it's good. Now we need to print out the object. I forgot to do that, which just let's do status dot 500 dot nation. Let's put in the OBD. Like you can see now, it will split out the data. Of course, it wouldn't split out the data in a like situation. It will pull it in a database, a JSON file, do whatever it was with it. So in the next video, we will see how you can make it store this information in a JSON file. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe.